A very good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your science class. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Yes or no? Okay, today we will have the revision of lesson number 9. Do you remember the name of the lesson? Yes, the air around us. So, how we will revise the lesson? Yes, exactly. I will re-explain all the subtopics and I will repeat the exercises as well. And you have to prepare the exercises of this lesson for final examination. Okay. So now let me tell you the things we will revise in today's class. What is air made up of? What is water vapor? Uses of air. Living things need oxygen to live. Some more uses of air. How do plants clean air? Air pollution. And how can we reduce air pollution? So these all are the subtopics. Again, I will re-explain. With this, I'll repeat the exercises as well. Okay? Air is everywhere on the earth. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. Already we came to know air is everywhere. Okay? And we cannot see air, but we can feel. We can feel air when the wind blows. Moving air is called wind. तो हवा जब बहते हैं हम तब फील कर सकते हैं. And the moving air is called wind. When wind blows gently, it is called breeze. When wind blows very fast, it is called storm. In summer, we feel warm because the air is warm. In winter, the air around us is cold. Yes, तो जो हवा बहुत धीरे से बहते हैं, that is called breeze. Gently बहते हैं, that is called breeze. And when wind blows very fast, that is called storm. Yes, and in summer we feel warm. गर्मी लगता है summer में. Yes or no? Why? Because the air present around us, it is warm in that time. And in winter we feel cold because the air present around us, that is cool or cold. That is why we feel cold. Yes or no? Okay. So, what is air made up of? Air is made up of different gases. The main gases present in the air are nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Water vapor and dust are also present in the air. So, air क्या है? Air is a mixture of gases. Air में बहुत सारे gases एक साथ मिलके air बना है. तो main gases जो present है, जो maximum amount में है, वो कौन सा है? Yes, nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Apart of gases को भी छोड़ के और क्या है एयर में? Yes, water vapor and dust. Okay, what is water vapor? You got this question in your mind? Yes or no? तो water vapor क्या है? The gaseous form of water is known as water vapor. तो gaseous state जो है water का, that is known as water vapor. Solid state क्या है water का? Yes, ice. Liquid state, water itself. And gaseous state, जब water gas बन जाता है, yes, वो है water vapor. Did you understand? Very good. Let us perform an activity to understand more about water vapor. As I am telling you, you do the activity at your home, so you will understand what is water vapor. Wet your hands with water. You will see that the water disappears in a few minutes. तो पहले क्या करना है? हाथ को गीला कर लेना है. हाथ धो लो. Okay? So, don't wipe your hands. So you will observe that after a few minutes the water disappears. वाटर जो है वो गायब हो जाएगा. तो क्या हो गया उसका? What happens to the water on your hands? तो हाथ में जो पानी था वो कहाँ गया? Yes, it changes into water vapor and mixes with the air. Water vapor is the gaseous form of water. तो हाथ में जो पानी था वो उब जाएगा and it becomes, the water will become gaseous form of the water, means water vapor, and it will mix with the air. Okay? Heat from the sun changes water from the seas, rivers, ponds and lakes into water vapor. This water vapor mixes with the air. तो सूरज का जो हीट है, yes, उसके कारण the water present in the oceans, in the seas, rivers, ponds and in the lakes changes into water vapor and mixes with the air. That is why water vapor present in the air. Okay? Now let us have a short exercise. Tick true or false. First one. The gaseous form of water is known as water vapor. ये true है क्या false है? Yes, very good. It is true. Second, air does not contain dust. Air में dust नहीं होते हैं. Is it true or false? Yes, it is false because we all know that air contains dust. Okay? Now let us start the uses of air. Living things need oxygen to live. So oxygen is very necessary for living things. Without oxygen we cannot breathe. Oxygen को छोड़ के हम सांस नहीं ले सकते हैं. And in the air oxygen is present. Most living things use oxygen present in the air to live. Animals living on land breathe in air and store it in their lungs. Birds, frogs, snakes, lizards, cats and elephants belong to this group. तो ये सारे जो animals हैं, they take oxygen from the air. Some animals such as turtles, dolphins and whales that live in water also breathe through their lungs. तो कुछ animals जो पानी में रहते हैं like turtle, dolphin, whales, they also take oxygen from the air with the help of their lungs. Insects take in air with the help of tiny holes present on their bodies. तो insects कैसे सांस लेते हैं? Yes, उनके bodies में there are many holes. Okay, tiny holes. With the help of the tiny holes, they take in air or oxygen. Fish breathe through their gills. They use the oxygen present in water. Okay, तो fish कैसे सांस लेते हैं? Yes, fish use their gills to breathe. Yes, and they use the oxygen which is present in the water, not in the air. Plants also use oxygen from the air. तो plants भी oxygen use करते हैं. Do you know? And from where? Yes, from the air. Okay, did you understand? Very good. So let's have an audio-visual presentation on uses of air to understand more about the concept. Okay?
Meena, do you want to see magic?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Then hold this firki for a while.
Okay. Oh wow! This firki is rotating. How this happened?
This is due to the movement of air.
Really?
Yes, air is present everywhere around us. When I switched on the fan, the air present around us move. This moving air made our firki rotate.
This is so interesting, Bhaiya. Tell me more about the uses of air.
Friends, you have seen one of the uses of air. It can move or rotate things. Let us learn more about the uses of air. All living things need air to breathe. We inhale air and we exhale air. Elephants, giraffe, lion, deer, cat, dog all breathe through their nose. We also breathe through our nose. But birds do not have nose. Then how do they breathe? They breathe through the tiny holes present on their beaks. Have you ever wondered how insects and fishes breathe? Insects have tiny holes present on their bodies. They take in air with the help of these holes. Whereas fishes have a special organ for breathing. These are called gills. They inhale the oxygen present in water. However, animals like whales, dolphins, tortoises, and frogs also live in water, but they do not have gills. They breathe through their lungs. Friends, do you know that plants also need air? They make their food with the help of carbon dioxide gas present in the air. Plants also release air in the form of oxygen gas. But how does air enter the plants? Let us know about this. The leaves of the plants have very minute pores. These are called stomata. Air moves in and out from the plants through these pores. You must be thinking that we need air only for breathing. But it is not true. There are many other uses of air. Have you ever seen a windmill? Windmill runs with the help of wind. People use windmill for grinding grains, pumping of water, and power generation. We also need air for burning things. Now tell me, what is there in your football and even balloons? Yes, air. Air is used to fill footballs and balloons. You might have seen some seeds of plants flying with the wind. Thus we can say that air is also useful in dispersal of seeds to different places.
Uses of air. Plants use carbon dioxide to make food. So we all know the carbon dioxide is a gas and it is the part of air. Because in previous class we came to know the main gases are present in air. What are those? Yes, oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. So oxygen, the animals and human beings they use for breathing, and carbon dioxide the plants they use to make their food. Plants use carbon dioxide present in the air to make their food. Air enters a plant through the stomata present on the leaves. तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का यूज वो खाना बनाने के लिए प्लांट्स करते हैं. एंड हाउ डू दे गेट द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड? यस, बिकॉज इट इज प्रेजेंट इन द एयर एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ देयर स्टोमाटा व्हिच आर प्रेजेंट ऑन द लीव्स दे टेक इन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. तो उनके लीव्स के ऊपर जो स्टोमाटा है उसके हेल्प से वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेते हैं. ओके, नाउ व्हाट आर द अदर यूजेस ऑफ एयर? विंड carries seeds of some plants to different places. So because of the winds, the seeds move from one place to another place. हवा में उड़ के जाते हैं ना seeds? Yes, जो छोटे छोटे seeds होते हैं वो एक जगह से दूसरे जगह हवा में बह के चले जाते हैं. Wind helps to run windmills. Windmills are used to grind wheat and corn, pump water and generate electricity. तो wind के help से windmills घूमते हैं. Windmills, the picture is given. Yes, those are windmills. और windmills का काम क्या है? Yes, windmills can grind wheat, corn and it can pump water. ये water को भी pump कर सकता है and it can grind wheat and corn and द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, इट कैन जनरेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी प्रोड्यूस करते हैं। एयर इज एसेंशियल फॉर बर्निंग। एयर इज यूज्ड टू फिल टायर्स एंड बलून्स। तो हम सब जानते हैं एयर हम कहाँ भरते हैं? यस, बलून्स में। बलून को ब्लो करने में वी यूज एयर एंड वी फिल एयर इन द टायर्स ऑल्सो। यस, बाइक के टायर में, कार के टायर में हम क्या डालते हैं? एयर डालते हैं। ओके, एंड एयर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट और एसेंशियल फॉर बर्निंग। क्लीन एयर, क्लीन एयर does not have any smell or color. Clean air keeps us healthy. Plants and animals also need clean air to live. तो clean air क्या है? Yes, clean air is very important for us. And clean air helps us to be healthy. Plants को and animals को भी clean air का जरूरत पड़ता है जिंदा रहने के लिए। Plants clean air means how do plants clean air? Plants air को clean करते हैं। कैसे? Plants help to clean air. A forest has a large number of plants. A forest therefore has clean air. तो कैसे clean करते हैं? Forest में बहुत सारे plants होते हैं। Okay? And we get fresh and clean air near the areas of forest or in the forest, because the carbon dioxide present in the air is taken by the plants. जो एयर में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड होते हैं, प्लांट्स उसको ले लेते हैं। क्यों? यस, उनको जरूरत पड़ता है खाना बनाने के लिए। ओके, एंड दे रिलीज ऑक्सीजन इन द एयर, और ऑक्सीजन जो है वो रिलीज करते हैं, वो छोड़ते हैं। सो दिस इज हाउ they clean the air. Okay? Exactly. Very good. Now let us talk on air pollution. Air pollution क्या है? Harmful gases from factories and motor vehicles are released into the air. These gases make the air unclean and unhealthy. Smoke from burning plastic, paper, rubber, cloths and fireworks pollutes air. Polluted air harms plants and animals. Polluted air can cause headaches and harm eyes. It can damage lungs and skin. Air pollution can make us sick. तो air pollution क्या है? When the factories and the vehicles released the gases or harmful gases in the air, and the air contains maximum amount of harmful gases, so we say that is air pollution, and that air is unclean and unhealthy for us. तो हार्मफुल गैसेस जो फैक्ट्रीज से और मोटर व्हीकल से बाहर आते हैं, वो जैसे ही एयर में मिक्स हो जाते हैं तो वो एयर पॉल्यूट हो जाता है, एंड दैट इज वेरी बैड फॉर अस. अपार्ट ऑफ स्मोक फ्रॉम फैक्ट्रीज और स्मोक फ्रॉम व्हीकल्स, we pollute our environment or we pollute air by burning plastic, paper, rubber, cloths, fireworks also we do. This is how also we pollute air. Pollute air harms plants and animals as well. तो हमको जैसे वो हानि पहुंचाते हैं, प्लांट्स को और एनिमल्स को भी हानि पहुंचाते हैं. Because of polluted air, we may get headache or we may get our eyes problem, and it can damage our lungs. हमारे lungs को भी ये खराब कर सकते हैं. So air pollution can make us sick. तो एयर अगर पोल्यूट होगा जहां हम रहते हैं तो हम बीमार पड़ेंगे. ओके? Tiny soil particles are always a part of the air. They are a part of the natural process that forms clouds. Normal amount of dust does not pollute air. तो कुछ small, very small soil particles mean the dust also we find in the air. तो dust हमको भी कहाँ भी मिलता है, एयर में भी dust मिलते हैं. Those are not bad. वो dust जो एयर में प्रेजेंट है वो खराब नहीं होते हैं. Okay, that is not bad for our health. This is the natural process and helps to form clouds. Now let us know how can we reduce air pollution. हम एयर पॉल्यूशन को कैसे कम कर सकते हैं. प्लांट्स क्लीन एयर, ग्रो मोर प्लांट्स. तो सिंपल तरीका है. प्लांट्स क्या करते हैं, एयर को क्लीन करते हैं. तो हमको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्लांट्स ग्रो करना है. ओके. रिड्यूस द यूज ऑफ मोटर व्हीकल बाय वॉकिंग शॉर्ट डिस्टेंसेस एंड यूजिंग बाइसाइकल्स. तो हम मोटर व्हीकल्स का इस्तेमाल कम करेंगे शॉर्ट डिस्टेंसेस के लिए एंड वी यूज बाइसाइकल्स. रिड्यूस द यूज ऑफ फायरवर्क्स. तो दिवाली में फायरवर्क्स किए थे कि नहीं, फायर क्रैकर्स. हाँ, सो वी शुड रिड्यूस इट. हमको वो कम करना चाहिए. ओके, बिकॉज इट ऑल्सो पॉल्यूट्स एयर. डू नॉट बर्न प्लास्टिक, रबर, क्लॉथ एंड अदर वेस्ट. कुछ भी वेस्ट अगर होता है तो उसको जलाना हमको नहीं चाहिए. ओके, क्या करना चाहिए? यस, वी शुड थ्रो इट इन द डस्टबिन्स. डू नॉट बर्न पेपर, कलेक्ट यूज्ड पेपर एंड सेल इट. पेपर को जलाना नहीं चाहिए. वी शुड कलेक्ट इट एंड वी कैन सेल इट. सो बाय दैट वी कैन गेट मनी ऑल्सो. यस और नो? So these are the some of the ways how we can reduce air pollution. Now let's move forward to know the answer key of the exercises of lesson number 9. Question number 1. Tick the correct options. First, moving air is called wind. Second, when wind blows gently, it is called breeze. Okay. Third, when wind blows very fast, it is called storm. Then the next one, fourth one, fish breathe through gills. Exactly. And the last one, polluted air harms all living things. Okay. Second question, find the words hidden in the word greet to fill in the blanks. So can you see the word greet? वहां पर मैंने सर्कल जैसा लगाया है. Yes. Then first of all we have to find, then we have to fill in the blanks. So what are the answers? First one, yes, air is everywhere on the earth. Second, moving air is called wind. Air contains gases, dust and water vapor. Fourth one, air contains gases such as nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Fifth one, the air around us is warm in the summer season. Exactly. Sixth one, in winter the air around us is cold. Seventh one, fish breathe in oxygen present in water. Correct. And the last one, clean air is good for our health. Have you done? Are you matching out with your answers? Okay, very good. Now let's move forward for the question answers. Question number 3. Answer the following questions in one sentence. First, name the gases which make up air. तो कौन से gases है air में? Yes, the answer is the main gases present in the air are nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Already we came to know. Yes. Second question, list 2 water animals which have lungs. तो पानी में रहते हैं ऐसे 2 एनिमल का नाम लिखना है जिनके पास लंग्स होते हैं। आंसर्स whales and dolphins breathe through their lungs. Okay? Third question. How do insects breathe? Insects कैसे सांस लेते हैं? Answer. Insects take in air with the help of tiny holes present on their bodies. उनके bodies में छोटे छोटे holes होते हैं and they take in air with the help of their tiny holes which are present on their bodies. Okay? Fourth question. Name the gas used by plants to make their food. तो खाना बनाने के लिए plants कौन से गैस का इस्तेमाल करते हैं? So the answer is carbon dioxide present in the air is used by plants to make their food. तो कौन से गैस वो यूज करते हैं खाना बनाने के लिए? Yes, they use carbon dioxide to make their food. Next, fifth question. State the uses of a windmill. Windmill का uses क्या क्या है? Answer. Windmills are used to grind wheat and corn, pump water and generate electricity. तो windmills क्या क्या करते हैं? Yes, windmills grind wheat and corn. It can pump water and it can generate electricity. Sixth question. How do dolphins breathe? Already we know dolphins कैसे सांस लेते हैं. Yes or no? Yes, the answer is dolphins breathe through their lungs. Exactly. Now let's move forward the long question. Answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences. First, explain giving examples how different animals take in air. तो explain करना है different animals कैसे सांस लेते हैं. So answer. Animals living on land breathe in air and store in their lungs. Example: birds, frogs, cats, lizards and snakes. Some animals live in water and breathe through their lungs. Examples क्या क्या है हमें पता है? Yes, dolphins and whales. And insects take in air through tiny holes present on their bodies. Fish breathe through gills. तो ये different animals जो है, कुछ animals जो land पे रहते हैं, they take in air and they store the air in their lungs, like cats, lizards, snakes. Some animals they live in water, then also they take in air and store in their lungs, like dolphins and whales. And fish they breathe through their gills, and insects they breathe, yes, through their tiny holes which are present on their body. Next, second question. List the uses of air. Answer. Living things need oxygen to live. तो ऑक्सीजन लिविंग थिंग्स को जरूरत है. तो ऑक्सीजन कहाँ रहता है? Yes, oxygen is present in the air. Next point. Plants use carbon dioxide to make food. तो प्लांट्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड यूज करते हैं. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड भी एयर में रहते हैं. Yes or no? Then the next one. Wind carries seeds of some plants to different places. तो wind जो seeds है वो एक जगह से दूसरे जगह हवा में उड़ के चले जाते हैं. Next, oxygen in the air is essential for burning. तो ऑक्सीजन जो एयर में प्रेजेंट है, यस, ऑक्सीजन अगर नहीं होगा तो बर्निंग, कुछ भी चीज जलने वाला नहीं होगा. ओके, कुछ जलेगा नहीं. ओके, उस जिस प्लेस में आग जल रहा है उस प्लेस में ऑक्सीजन है, इसलिए वहां पर आग जलते हैं. एंड द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, एयर इज यूज्ड टू फिल टायर्स एंड बलून्स. तो हमको सबको पता है जो टायर्स होते हैं बाइक्स के, कार्स के, उसमें क्या भरते हैं हम? यस, एयर भरते हैं. एंड बलून्स में भी वी फिल air to blow the balloon. Okay, so these are the some uses of air. Fourth question, how is air polluted? Air कैसे गंदा होता है? Answer, harmful gases from factories and motor vehicles are released into the air. These gases make the air unclean and unhealthy. Smoke from burning plastic, paper, rubber, cloths and fireworks pollutes air. तो जो harmful gases हैं वो निकल के कहाँ मिक्स होते हैं? एयर में मिक्स हो जाते हैं, which is very bad for us because that air becomes unclean and that air is unhealthy for us. And smoke जो होते हैं, धुआं, जब हम कुछ जलाते हैं उसमें धुआं बनते हैं and that smoke mix with the air. Okay, so we should not burn the things. हमको कुछ जलाना नहीं चाहिए, इसमें एयर पॉल्यूशन होता है. Okay, and air pollution can make us sick. हमको बीमार कर सकते हैं. तो कुछ भी जलाने वाला चीज जो होता है उसको हम नहीं जलाएंगे, उसको हम फेंक देंगे डस्टबिन में. ओके, फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, हाउ डज पॉल्यूटेड एयर हार्म अस? तो नाउ हम कैसे करते हैं, वो जो पॉल्यूटेड एयर है वो हमको कैसे नुकसान पहुंचाते हैं? आंसर, एयर पॉल्यूशन मेक अस सिक. मैंने पहले ही बताया था, एयर जो पॉल्यूटेड एयर होता है वो हमको बीमार कर देते हैं. Polluted air can cause headaches, eye irritation and damage our lungs. तो polluted air के कारण क्या क्या हो सकता है? हमको headache हो सकता है, eye irritation, आंख में जलन हो सकता है, and it can damage our lungs also. So it's very dangerous. So we should try to reduce air pollution. Okay? Thank you very much all the students. Take care of yourself and be safe in this pandemic.